Have you ever noticed that the children look like their parents? Sometimes they inherit more than one feature at the same time. For example, a child may have eye color like one parent and the height like another. How do two different traits get inherited together? Let us understand this with the help of genetics. Namaste. In this session, we will talk about the dihybrid cross. A dihybrid cross is a genetic cross in which we study the inheritance of two pairs of contrasting characters at the same time. Gregor Mendel studied this using pea plants. He selected two traits together, such as seed shape and seed color. Seed shape could be round or wrinkled, and the seed color could be yellow or green. Round seeds are dominant over wrinkled seeds, and yellow seeds are dominant over green seeds. Mendel crossed these two plants that were pure round yellow, written as capital R, capital R, capital Y, with the plants that were pure wrinkled green, written as small r, small y, small y. These plants produced gametes. A pure round yellow produced only capital R, capital Y gametes, and a pure wrinkled green produced small r, small y gametes. When fertilization occurred, all offsprings became round yellow, that is capital R, capital Y, small y. These plants showed up round yellow seeds because both round shape and yellow color are dominant traits. Next, Mendel allowed these plants to self-pollinate. So the cross became capital R, capital Y, small y cross capital R, capital Y, small y. Now each parent produced four types of gametes, that is capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. When these combined in different ways, four types of offsprings appeared: round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, and wrinkled green. The phenotypic ratio obtained was 9:3:3:1. This means 9 plants had round yellow seeds, 3 plants had round green seeds, 3 plants had wrinkled yellow seeds, and 1 plant had wrinkled green seeds. This shows that the two traits were inherited independently of each other. This is called Mendel's law of independent assortment. So that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.